Evaluating a piecewise defined function. This is your favorite, I know it. So piecewise function, as we remember, has different pieces to it. So this one right here has 3 pieces in the function. We've got either f of x equals 4, or f of x equals x plus 1 squared minus 3, or we've got f of x equals 1/4 x plus 2. And the kicker is over on this right side, it says it's 4 if x is less than -2. Or it's this one if x is -2 less than or equal to x less than 1. So in between -2 and 1. Or we've got this one if x is greater than or equal to 1. So it's going to be different based off of what we're plugging in. So this first one, f of -3, we're plugging -3 in for x. So we first look on this side and see where -3 fits. -3 fits in this top one. -3 less than -2. Because if I tried to be down here, -3 isn't less than or greater than or equal to -2. -2 less than or equal to -3 doesn't work. Also, -3 greater than or equal to 1 doesn't work. So the top one, -3 less than -2, works, and it tells us that 4 is the answer for that. And that's all we have to do for that one. Next one, f of 0. So if I plug 0 in for x, well, 0 is not less than -2. But -2 less than or equal to 0 is true, and 0 less than 1 is true. So that one is going to be where I'm going to put the 0. So I'm going to put a 0 in for x here. And I'm just going to rewrite that whole part, but with the 0 in for the x. So then I've got 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 squared is just 1, so 1 minus 3 gives me -2. So f of 0 gave me the -2. And last one here, f of 1. Well, 1 happens to fit in this bottom one, 1 greater than or equal to 1. So I'm going to plug that 1 into this. So I've got 1/4. Instead of x, I'm going to plug the 1 in, and then plus 2. So I've got 1/4 times 1, it's just 1/4, plus 2. Now I happen to know that 2 is the same as 8 over 4. So I've got 1/4 plus 8 over 4, which is going to be 9 over 4. Now, a word of caution when you're working on this topic, this one was easy because the -3 went to the top one, the 0 went for the middle one, and the 1 went for the bottom one. It's not always going to be that easy. Sometimes it's going to mix it up. Sometimes it might not even use one of these equations. So just be careful when you're doing that.